So the roof's been leaking a little bit because I didn't have the long enough screws to do the seams between the panels. Now I have the screws, a whole bag of them. I've decided just to buy stuff off Amazon because it's like 2/3 the price of the local hardware store. And they have stuff that the hardware stores it doesn't even have. So, you know what? Screw it. I guess Amazon's the way to go. Or eBay or whatever works. I'm not sure where I got that from. But, anyhow, I'll just go through and put some of these screws on all these. So hopefully, I've been having issues of water. Like, the wind just kind of blows water through some of the parts that are up higher. And it'd be good to get that sealed up before I get too much walling and insulation inside the building. I totally forgot that I had this piece of metal up here. It's pretty much brand new. It was only spent a few months on that other smaller shed that I tried building. And it's exactly 12 feet long. It'll be perfect for the corner of the wall to help shield the insulation from moisture. So I figure we can cut this down the middle and have 2 pieces of metal that can go over the back of the building. And then I've been collecting a ton of metal from the dumpster at construction sites and whatnot, and so that can be used on the front parts. And I might do more like a shingle pattern where I'll start from the bottom and just put the smaller sections up. I'm very happy with that. Aha! Now these are the pieces I'm looking for. I can use those. Can't believe people throw this stuff away. There's so much good stuff here. You find in dumpsters. I do like that color. It's a really nice color. I'm tempted to not use this piece and keep it for something else, but I don't know when I'm ever going to need it, so I might as well use it here. Oh, look at that. Perfect. I know it's not perfect, but I can work with it later. I've had enough of working on the outside. I'm gonna work on the inside again, because that's enough for today and enough for 2 days of work at least. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.